Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Kraken using 2FA security settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start using Kraken with two-factor authentication, first, log in to your Kraken account. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking on your username in the top right corner. In the settings menu, look for the security tab and click on it. Scroll down to find the two-factor authentication section. You will see an option to enable two-factor authentication. Click on the Enable button adjacent to this option. Next, you need to choose your preferred method for 2FA. Kraken supports both the Google Authenticator app and SMS verification. If you choose the Google Authenticator app, download it from your device's App Store. Once the app is installed, open it and select Begin Setup. Back on the Kraken site, a QR code will appear on the screen. Use the Google Authenticator app to scan the QR code. After scanning, the app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter this code into the field provided on the Kraken website. If the code is accepted, two-factor authentication will be successfully enabled. If you prefer SMS verification, select that option instead. You will be prompted to enter your phone number. Make sure to enter your number correctly, including the country code. Once you submit your phone number, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter that code in the designated field on the website. Upon successful entry, 2FA via SMS will be activated. It's crucial to store the backup codes displayed on the screen. These codes will help you regain access if you lose your 2FA device. After you have secured your backup codes, confirm that 2FA is enabled. You can do this by navigating back to the Security tab. Here, it should indicate that two-factor authentication is active. Now, every time you log into Kraken, you will be prompted for your 2FA code. Ensure you open your authentication method to retrieve this code for logging in. This extra layer of security significantly enhances your account's protection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.